Welcome, Buccaneer. Let's talk about making payments on your account. As a registered student, your account balance is calculated by your charges minus your financial aid. The difference is what you're responsible for paying. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a payment toward an account balance. First, log into your student portal. Once on the home screen, you will want to click on the Student Finance link, where you will be redirected to your account summary page. On the account summary page, you'll click on the Make a Payment link. On the next screen, you'll click on the blue Continue to Payment Center button to be redirected to the Flywire Payment Center portal. Once redirected to the Flywire dashboard in the payment portal, you'll want to click the red Make a Payment button. You will then click on the term you would like to make a payment for. If you wish to adjust the amount, click on the amount in the box and type the desired payment. You will then want to click the red Continue button to proceed to the next step. Next, you will select the desired payment method. It is important to note that payments made with your bank account or e-check have a 10 business day processing time to allow the check to clear. When making a payment with a credit or debit card, there is no holding period, but there is a convenience fee that will be charged. We encourage you to review our student accounts webpage for the surcharge percentage. You will want to ensure that all text fields are filled out with the correct information. If you are unsure where to find certain information, click on the question marks within the text fields for additional instructions. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We'll see you in the next video.